Hiya and welcome to my unboxing of my Simply Gilded box for January. So here's the back of the box, treat yourself, and you can see it's absolutely bulging with goodies. And here's the front, sugar collection. It's a gold foil and it's a huge box. Now I'm just going to unbox it off camera and take the mystery item out, and then I'll show the mystery item at the end of this video. So this is everything in the box apart from the mystery item, which I'll show at the end of this video. So if you don't want a spoiler, then please don't watch at the end, and I will put a warning on before I actually show the mystery item. So here's our menu card, like we always get, a huge list of items there, and I think I'm just going to start at the top. The first thing is a super soft little pom, and there's also a bow, and there's a gold foiled heart tag here with Simply Gilded on it, and that has a clasp here for attaching it to anything really, a pouch or a bag or whatever you'd like. It's super soft and I would say oversized. For example, if we were to pop it on a pouch this size, it's pretty enormous, but actually quite cute. So looking at this pouch, we haven't had one like this before. This is cute. So it's a faux leather, and it has a scalloped edge here, really strong reinforced edge, a little heart on the zipper pull there, and a gold zip. And inside we have the pen, which is this cute pink and white candy. Is it white? Not quite, it's a pearlized type colour. A candy stripe pen here with Simply Gilded etched on here, and there's a bow on the end, and you can see there the stripes. The lid will come off and pop on the end of the pen, which I really like, so you're not going to lose it. And then that's a black gel pen. Also in the pouch is the washi, and there's fabric lining inside there. It's cute. All pretty. This is super pretty. It looks like a pale yellow, pink and mint. That's super cute. I'll unroll the washi near the end of the video after we've looked at everything else in the box, but here's a little sneak of all of the washi. And then this is the 5mm add-on washi. So we'll also unroll that near the end. This I'm dying to look at. This is so cute. There's a gold heart here and scalloped edging. It's once again very thick faux leather. And there's a cute scalloped side pocket here. And that is a sticker book with heaps of pages. Okay, there's 10 pages on each side of the centre here, so a total of 20 pages. And then each page has a side pocket on each side. So you can put 40 sheets of stickers in there and see every single sheet. It probably has the capacity to put more than one in each one as well, but then obviously you can't see them all. But that is super cute. And then there's a little bit here which you could attach a charm to. For example, this charm here, and you can have that on there, which is actually quite cute since it's so oversized. So I'm loving this. These are two different colors of, I'll say pink, but I mean they are pink, but it's not pink. But these are two different colors here, but they do coordinate. The next thing I see here is this pencil board. So it's laminated, it's very sturdy, it has a cute gold foiled bow on this mint side, and then a pink and white stripe on this side. So this is designed for popping in your planner and writing on, just so that you don't get those pen marks if you're particularly heavy with a pen or have a particularly thin page, just so you don't get those marks going through your page. And they look super cute in there as well. This is a B6 size notebook, sweet, and Life is Sweet on the back. That's cute, perfect for an insert for a traveller's notebook. I'll just open that. So here's the notebook with that beautiful gold foil, and inside is a dot grid. So it's dot grid all the way, and Life is Sweet. Then there's the journaling card with Life is Sweet, and a whole bunch of stickers, more stickers than we've had in the past from the looks of it. First thing I see are some icons, heart-shaped icons, and we've got them in a pastel colour and in a gold foil. There's a variety of different icons there. I'll just show you up close. So here you've got 4 different colours with the icon in them, and here just the 2 rows of icons again repeating, but all of them in gold. This is super cute. This is the mini sheet of stickers. Love the little decorative elements there, and there's a full box and some half boxes. There's some bigger seal stickers in lovely pastel shades with a gold foil. A nice heart-shaped seal for a change. And the colours on these, the pink and the mint, oh, I just love it. Love, love, love it. So add 2 sheets of regular stickers. So this sheet has the 2 sets of weeks, 1 pink, 1 mint, and then you've got full boxes. And then all of these little ones here. And this sheet, you've got just some other headers here, 2 more full boxes. Sprinkle kindness like confetti, love that one. And more little cute little deco items there, and then 3 more full boxes along here. Another Sugar Collection stickers. Now to unroll the washi. Okay, here are all the washies from the Sweet collection. I'm loving them. I love just the soft colour palette on them, and it's so nice really just having lots of different designs. Really cute. I had no idea until I rolled this one out, for example, that it had pink flowers on it and so on. You see so much more detail when they're rolled out than when they are rolled up. And this one here with the ombre colours, really cute. These ones here are 1.5 inch diameter, so perfect for a lot of planner columns. And then these are all the 5mm washies. So here we have the washi and the add-on washi for the January subscription kit from Simply Gilded. Now I'm just going to show you the mystery item that's in the kit. And here it is here. It's a heart-shaped coaster. It's in faux leather also, and on one side it has Simply Gilded embossed on it here, and it looks like it might be the same colour as the pouch. Yep, definitely. So it looks like it's from the same faux leather as the pouch. Thanks for watching my unboxing of the Sugar January subscription kit from Simply Gilded box. This is everything that came in the kit apart from the mystery item. And it's an amazing kit. I absolutely love it. The pinks and the mints and just this ombre washi just really speaks to me, and I'm loving the other designs of washi also. this sticker album is just perfect to have some fun with. So I'm absolutely loving this kit, super happy to have it, can't wait to play with it. And that's the end of my unboxing video, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!